you doing? I hope you're having a great day. I am so excited because today's video is a collaboration video with two of my favorite ladies here on YouTube. So today I am talking 5 boxes on a budget, or like boxes on a budget, but we're going to talk about 5 boxes. So this is in collaboration with Southern Mom and Georgia Sunshine, and I love both of these ladies. I consider them both to be friends, so I'm super excited. I have a feeling you guys, if you're following me, you already know who both of these ladies are. So Nikki or Southern Mom, I know I mentioned her probably like in every video. And Christy is Georgia Sunshine. These ladies are both so awesome. They both open boxes like I do, but they also do other things that I don't do, so definitely go check them out. I know that Christy does a lot more fashion boxes, so if you're into that, definitely check her out. And Nikki does so many boxes. She has like 3 videos a day. Like, she's always uploading content. Like, you'll definitely love both of their channels. So I'm gonna leave both of their channels linked down below right at the top of the description box. Please check them out and see what their videos are all about too. I can't wait to see the boxes they came up with. So what we're going to do today is talk about boxes that are under $30. So what we consider to be boxes on a budget. We all open a lot of boxes, like I said, and honestly most of these are over $30. When I was trying to come up with a list for this video, I realized that, yeah, most of my boxes are kind of pricey and not everyone wants to splurge all that money. I know I like to save money when I can, so we're all going to list our 5 favorite boxes under $30. Yeah, for a second I was afraid that I forgot to turn my mic on. So I'm going to go over the boxes I selected, and I'm going to start with like the lowest price to the highest. So what I'm going to do, all the boxes I am talking about, I am going to link them down below along with my most recent unboxing of them. All of the boxes I chose are boxes I've been opening for a while. Some are newer to me and I wanted to include them, but I don't feel like I formed a good enough opinion, you know? So all of these I've unboxed at least like multiple times. So definitely check out the videos if you want to learn more information about them. Those will be more in depth. I'm just going to do a quick overview of all the boxes today in this video. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the most affordable one, and this is Facestory. This is like $7.57 a month, and this is a sheet mask subscription. I absolutely love face masks, and sheet masks are my favorite, and I find this to be such a fun one to get each month. It's always so cute. So for $7.57 you get 4 sheet masks. They're all like K-beauty type sheet masks. They're great. I have loved every single one I have tried so far. So if you love sheet masks, I think this is definitely one hopefully you can fit in your budget for less than $8. So less than $2 per mask, which most masks retail for at least $4. So I think that's a great deal. No, Fiona. Sorry, she's scratching. So yeah, if you love sheet masks, that is a good one. I definitely recommend. And the next box I'm going to talk about is Ipsy. I'm going to talk about the regular Ipsy glam bag. So right now, Ipsy glam bag is $10 a month. If you guys didn't catch my recent update video on Ipsy, they are increasing their prices in October to $12 a month. If you missed that video, I'm going to link that down below along with my most recent unboxing. If you guys have seen any of my Ipsy unboxings, or like have you gotten or have seen anyone open it, not just me, Ipsy is so great. For $10, soon to be $12, you get 5 items each month and a makeup bag, and they often include full-size items like makeup brushes and full-size actual makeup products and skincare products. Like, I think like it is so worth it. When they announced that they were increasing their prices, I wasn't even mad about it because I would gladly pay $12 for that subscription. It is so good. So worth it. That is one I cannot give up. So yeah, Ipsy is definitely a beauty subscription I recommend to everyone. For that price, you just can't beat it. The next box I'm going to talk about is one I just opened the other day on my channel, and that is Velobox. So Velobox is a candle subscription, and what I love about Velobox is that they offer multiple tiers. So there's 3 different subscription plans, and it starts at $10. So there's a $10 one, a $20 plan, and a $30 plan. So I guess the $30 plan wouldn't really count as being under $30, but I do have a code to save you $5 off your first box. So I will link that down below. But I absolutely love Velobox. Their candles smell so good every month, and all their candles come from local artisans in the United States, and they're like made in small batches. They're made without all those icky chemicals. They last forever. Like, the burn time is so long, and Also in every box you get like an extra little goodie. Like this month we got soap, other times we're getting like hand lotion, one time we got SPF. So yeah, I've really been loving my Bella box. I've actually been getting it for years. My mom gets it as well, and that's just one I can't give up. And I love that it starts at $10 because if you purchase candles often, you know that candles can be pretty pricey. So I think this is a great way to try really good quality candles for a good price. Fourth box I'm going to talk about is one I actually have sitting next to me that I have to open. I am a little bit behind on boxes this month, but this is Roxbox. So Roxbox is a jewelry subscription, and this costs $21 per month. I am actually wearing a pair of earrings that I received in my Roxbox. So Roxbox is actually like a jewelry rental subscription, and they have amazing brands. So you just pay $21 a month and you get 3 pieces every single month, and you can either choose to return them or you can keep them, and your $21 you pay that month can go towards any of your purchases. So I ended up purchasing these because I love them so much. These are Kendra Scott. They seriously have amazing brands. Like I've found like really good brands I didn't even know about before Roxbox. Like one of them is like Ava Rose. I end up purchasing a lot of those earrings as well. They don't just have earrings, they have all different types of jewelry. I just tend to get earrings mostly because that is what I prefer, but they have necklaces, rings, bracelets, they have all of it, and they have such a wide selection. And when you're on their website, you can actually even like search like by like trends and stuff like that. So it is $21 a month, but I do have a code. If you guys want to try Roxbox for free, just use my link. It's not even a code, it's a link. The link, it'll automatically be applied, I believe, when you use the link down below. And you can just try it free for 30 days. And if you do not want to continue, just make sure to cancel it by the end and you won't be charged. So there's like no strings attached, no long-term commitment. I think that is so great, a way to try a subscription for free. I wish more subscription services offered that. It's really nice to get a trial and see that something works for you before you pay any money. So if you're interested in a new jewelry service, definitely check it out. It is my favorite. I love it. I have such a great jewelry collection because of Roxbox. So the 5th box on my list is a box I've actually raved about recently when I talked about my 5 favorite subscription boxes, and I couldn't leave it out because it's under $30 and it's so good. And I know I already talked about a beauty box, but I can't leave out Boxy Charm. I love Boxy Charm. It is my favorite beauty subscription. Like I said, it's $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. Typically, in my experience, you get 5, and it's mostly makeup, but you also get like makeup brushes and skincare as well. I've been getting it for a while now, and it's honestly how I built up my makeup collection, and I just really enjoy it. They work with great brands, and for the price, like the value, I think, what was it this month? I can't remember. I'm gonna link the video down below like with all of these, but the value is always over $100. So even if you don't like 1 or 2 of the products, the value is still there. And if you don't want to keep everything, like some of it makes great gifts. So it's seriously an amazing subscription. I'm sure you guys know all about it, especially if you're in the subscription box world at all, but I will link it down below along with my most recent unboxing. I actually did a try on with that video, so that was really fun to do. So yeah, if I had to just keep one beauty subscription, it would be Boxy Charm probably, but I don't know, I wouldn't want to give up my Ipsy either. But yeah, so $21, best beauty box for sure. Alright, so I'm kind of cheating and throwing in one more box. I'm going to call it like my bonus one. So I already talked about 5, but I have to throw in this one, and I don't know if it actually counts because the price of it is under $30, but there also is a shipping charge, so it like kind of creeps above $30. But this is by far the best skincare box. So if you are looking for skincare, you have to check out Test Tube Beauty. Sorry, my cats are being really loud. Archer. So Test Tube Beauty is $29.95 per month, but you also pay shipping, and shipping is kind of expensive. I think it's like $8.95 or $7.95 or something like that, so it definitely brings it over $30, but it is every other month, so that really helps with the price. Like paying that every other month is great, and since it's skincare, it takes a little bit of time to use up skincare items, so I think the bi-monthly thing is awesome. I honestly have been really getting into bi-monthly subscriptions. I am totally a fan of that. So you get so many things, like full-size things. The value is like over $300. It's crazy. And they give you things that like add to my collection. They're not just like repeats. It's not like just a bunch of moisturizers. There's like unique skincare products. Sometimes you'll get like hair care products or like SPF or something, which I guess is skincare, but there is just so much good stuff in there. You guys have to check out my last unboxing of it. And it comes in this really cute like tube boxing that you can reuse the packaging as well. So that is another bonus. And every season you get a magazine. I actually just got mine in the mail like yesterday, maybe 2 days ago, and I haven't read it yet, but it's like this thick magazine. I think like Naomi Campbell is on it, is that her name? And it's like talks about her skincare because, you know, she's gorgeous, and they're like, guess her age, and I'm like, I bet I'd guess way younger than she is because she looks flawless. But so there's a whole magazine about beauty and stuff like that that you get every 3 months, and I can't wait to read it. I love magazines, so that is a perk of the subscription. But yeah, I think it's totally worth it. If you guys have not seen my video or anyone else's, definitely check it out. And I know that's cheating because it's above $30 with the shipping, but I just had to mention it because it is $29.95 and it is so good, and it is my definitely my most recommended skincare box. So those are my boxes on a budget that I recommend. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Are there any boxes I missed that you think are totally worth it? Like they're under $30, or do you try any of the or have you tried any of the boxes I talked about? I honestly cannot wait to hear what Nikki and Christy talk about in their videos. I wonder if we'll have any like overlap and stuff like that, because I know we do get some of the boxes the same, but we also get different boxes, so this will be really interesting. Thank you, Nikki, for coming up with this video idea, and thank you, Christy, for doing this and letting me join. Those two are gonna do it together at first, and then they let me join them because I thought it was such a good idea. So thank you for letting me like join in on your collaboration. You guys have to go check them out. If you have not yet subscribed or watched any of their videos, like I said, I'm gonna link them down below at the top of the description box. Please go check them out. You will not regret it. They are awesome. I love them so much, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.